In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get started with Amazon advertising. So Amazon advertising is super important because when you think about how you buy nowadays, at least in the United States, when I think about buying a product, I don't go to Google anymore. I go to Amazon. Amazon's very transactional. It's more bottom of the funnel, middle of the funnel. I'm looking to do some research. Maybe I know what I want already. So it's super important to understand how you can do Amazon advertising. And the good thing about this is that we actually did advertising for Amazon advertising in the past. So without further ado, we have someone from my team that's gonna show you how you can get started just to kickstart you with Amazon advertising.
Ramsey from Single Grain here. I'm gonna be talking to you about advertising on Amazon through their self-serve platform. We've got over 300 million active users. Really valuable if you can start to place your ads in front of these people. The way AMS works is it's a self-serve platform. You can go in there, you don't need your own account rep or anything. You can start pushing out ads as long as you're a seller on Amazon. The model for how you're paying is a pay-per-click basis. There's basically two ways of targeting on Amazon. Target based on keywords or product categories. There's three types of ads on Amazon. First off, you have your headline search ads. So you can see that right here at the top of my screen. Headline search ads appear on the search results page above all the actual search results. They basically let you advertise a minimum of 3 products. Then going on to our next ad type, the sponsored product also shows up on the search results page, often at the top, sometimes at the bottom as well. Let's see, you can see some at the bottom here. And then additionally, the sponsored product ad placements can get placed on actual product pages. And then our third ad placement is the display product placement. You can see that over here on the right. These ads often appear on this right-hand rail when you're on an actual product page, and occasionally they can appear on a search results page, but they're effectively a display banner. So that's kind of a high-level overview of where you can place your ads on Amazon, what kind of targeting you can do. Some of the really main benefits that are highlighted by Amazon and their advertising platform are, one, really just the super high purchasing intent that users have on Amazon. And then secondly, Amazon's set on protecting the data of users on their website. And so they actually haven't set up a way for you to implement any sort of conversion tracking if you're running ads on Facebook or Google AdWords to an Amazon page. That's kind of an issue for people who are trying to leverage Facebook or AdWords or other platforms because they can't actually attribute conversions back to their ads. So by advertising on AMS, you can actually attribute sales from your Amazon ads back to the actual campaigns and really start to measure ROI on those campaigns. That's a little brief introduction to Amazon Marketing Services, aka AMS.
So if you enjoyed this video on Amazon advertising, we actually got more advertising videos for you. So just hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.